You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
There's 103rd right here. He's gonna be in the east-west alley, south of 103rd. Right there. This guy? We're pointing him out. Let me see. Hey, let me. Oh fuck.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Put it down.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop the gun, dude.
I know that's fine. Then fucking drop it. Drop it.
Put it on the ground. Let go of the ground. Let go. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
Supervisor 442 now with the gun. 2 3
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Officer, go, we're gonna be the east-west alley. We're gonna be south of 103rd between
Turn around. Turn around. Get on the
Police
ground.
officer needs help in the east-west alley on 103rd between Azak and Little Dillon. Officer needs help on 103rd between Azak and Little Dillon. The east-west alley. Shot
Hey, don't run. Stay right there.
Any area switch to southeast frequency. Southeast unit is responding, identified. 17. 17, roger. Code 3, starting location. Supervisor responding, identify. Any area switch to southeast frequency for shots fired, help call.
1840, responding.
40, roger.
And we're launched from downtown.
Unit responding from downtown, identify.
Air 10.
Air 10's en route.
Let me see. Hey, let me. Oh fuck.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Put it down.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop the gun, dude.
I know that's fine. Then fucking drop it. Drop it.
Drop
Put it on the ground. Let
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Drop the gun.
Any in the vicinity, backup area, supervisor 442 now.
We're pointing him out. Hey, oh fuck.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Put it down.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it. Drop the gun, dude.
I know that's fine. Then fucking drop it. 1881, let me get a backup. We're coming out with the gun. Put it on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
1881.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
1881, shots fired. Officer needs help. We're gonna be in the east-west alley. We're gonna be south of 103rd between Ludillon and Anzac and Ludillon.
Turn around. Turn around. Get on the ground. Hey, get covered. Get covered.
Officer needs help on 103rd between Azak and Ludillon, the east-west.
He's away from the gun. Hey, get on the ground. Hey, he dropped the gun. He dropped the gun. Drop the gun. The gun.
What's wrong around?
Turn around.
Why? What did I do wrong? Do it. Someone try to do it. Something bad. On his stomach. You guys, man. Stop.
Okay. Stop it. Stop. Let me put
put you in your handcuffs, all right? Just listen, all right? All right, listen, just listen.
Don't handcuff me, man. I fucking died
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Handcuffs, man. Why were you arresting me? I fucking love you for what? I am the fucking time. Dude.
Stop. You're making it worse.
Stop. What's wrong with you
Here,
guys?
let me grab your hand.
Stop.
Hey, tase this guy.
Stop, dude. What's wrong with you guys, dude?
I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. Stop. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. Stop.
What are you doing? Dude?
Let me grab your foot. Let me put it behind your head.
Stop. What the fuck is going on? Dude. Stop. Show them.
Show them what? Hey, stop.
Stop. I fucking... He's not straight.
Got him? Yeah. Take it from me.
He's not straight.
I got it. I got it. Put out the code for Have you just respond?
This is good, man. I was thinking you.
1881, code 4, suspect. We're reporting him out. Hey, oh fuck. Hey, let me see your hand. Let me see your hands. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the gun, dude. I know that's fine. Then fucking 1881, let me get a backup. Working around with the gun. Put it on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. There. Is that? We're reporting him out. Let me see. Hey, let me see your hands. Put it down. Put it down. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I know that's fine. Then fucking drop it. Drop it. Put it on the ground. Let go of it. Let go of it. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Get on the ground. Get on the go move on the left. Move on the left. Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head. Turn around. Face that way. Face that way. Turn around. Go that way, lady. Hey, get covered. Let me. He's away from the gun. Hey, don't run. Stay right there. Stay right there. Let me go. Let me go for you. Stop running. Stop running. Stop running. Stop running. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Turn around. Let me see your hands. I'm gonna.
It's okay. Don't worry. You're good.
All right, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What's wrong?
Turn around.
Why would they do wrong? Dude, stop doing it. I love you
Get on your
guys.
stomach. Get on your stomach.
Please stop,
Get on your
man.
stomach. Get on your stomach.
You guys, man. Stop. Even stop.
Okay.
Stop
Just
doing
listen.
him.
Just listen. Let me put you in your handcuffs. All right. Just
No, I
listen. All
respect
right.
you so
All right.
much.
Listen. Just listen.
Don't handcuff me, man. I fucking died for
Get
you
on your
guys.
stomach right now. Hold on. Your
Don't
stomach.
handcuff me, man. Why are you arresting me? I fucking love you for what? I am the fucking high. Dude. What?
Stop.
Hold on. What's wrong with you guys?
Here, let me grab your hand. Hey, tase this guy.
Stop, dude. What's wrong with you guys, dude?
I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. Stop. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. Stop.
Why are you hitting me, dude?
Let me grab your phone. Let me put it behind your head.
Stop. What the fucking fake gun? Dude. Stop. Show them.
Show them what? Hey, stop. Stop moving.
Stop. I fucking...
Yeah.
He's not straight.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Put out the code for it. And have units respond. 1881, code 4, suspect in. Is that? We're reporting him out. Let me see.